I visited Saint Alphonsus in Boise, where teens from Boise and Nampa school districts are getting acclimated with what doctors are calling a game-changing new way of performing surgery using a remote-controlled robot. Now, I'll warn you now, some of this video may make you a little queasy.
Different than making a robot in your lab at home, you're actually getting to see how it's used in real life and how it helps people.
This is Vinci. Like the Renaissance man it's named after, it's a sculptor, but of our insides.
It just gets me more excited for the future because this is what I can see myself doing.
High schooler Samantha Quanti is an aspiring medical professional.
We want to help people, we want to change the world.
She says she'd seen it before on Instagram, but now alongside her peers, she's getting the chance to try the robot on pig flesh.
And manage the arms of the robot and cut tissue and staple tissue and cauterize tissue and feel what it's like to use the robot that I use every day upstairs.
That clamp may seem large to the surgeon's eye. In real life, it's actually only about the size of half of my pinky nail. Dr. Reesing says doing surgery this way is less invasive, which means less pain and, in turn, less opiate prescriptions. Samantha told me about other benefits.
There's way less scarring through this procedure, and it can also be more safer because of the tremor in your hand.
Now, for the past handful of years, the 6 or so Da Vinci-trained surgeons at St. Al's operate on human lungs, hysterectomies, and colons, among other parts.
Robot esophagectomy. We're the only place in the state of Idaho that does that.
Samantha said she's even more excited to pursue a career in medicine now.
We want to make people in a better situation than they were before. So they have like cancer or something. We're there to provide comfort and security and care.
And Dr. Reesing inspired as well.
Because this is our future.
But he is not referring to the robot.
Surgeons, our future nurses, our future engineers, and if there's anything we're doing today that inspires them, that's meaningful.
St. Al's reps say they hope to continue to engage more young people in the community so that more teens will choose career paths relating to engineering and science. Live in studio, Madeline White, 6 on your side.